All right, we're back. Took a while. Maybe about half hour. Find the terminals. And the battery bolts to go with the junk battery. What do we have right here? This is a junk battery. It's got no balls. If it's got no balls, do what I need to do. If not, my junk box will. Okay, so now we know what we gotta do. This we're gonna hook up. Maybe. Okay, so we need the pause to be on the right, pause on the left on this one. Looks like that's close enough for what we need. Okay, let's throw this up in here. Drop her in the hole. Okay. Pause the cables right here. Just got it sat on. This is not the right battery. Cable's too short to use. Figures. Pause the cable. Too short. There's no way of rerouting that. Let's see if I can get over to there maybe. Yeah. I can make it happen maybe. To make things happen around here. Good on the top. Let's see if we can make it work. Don't think it's long enough to do what we need to do. Wrong cable. Wrong battery for the bike. What a shocker. So this one's over here. Those are the battery posts right, or the starter down here. So I think I'm gonna have to reroute that. Okay, let's go on the other side and see what we can do over that side. I have to make this work, one way or the other. Whatever it takes, we're gonna have to do. Okay, we got good access to our starter motor here, which means it's non-existent, of course. Okay. We need to get into here, which we have no access to. Okay. Half inch. Or metric 14. We'll go with half inch. Everything's in the way, no access. Probably a better access on the top here. Turn this rubber booty out of the way. It's one of those deals, you can see it, but you can't get to it. I'm pulling on something, but it ain't moving it. Nope, it's rounding it off. There we go. Yeah. Almost in the way. There we go. Oh, it has. There it goes. Right, it's tight. Metric knot too. So. I want to put metric nuts in a starter motor, or what they do. It's like half inch, but it's not, so it's probably 13 millimeter. We got so much room to get in here. So, come in from this angle here, see? We got so much room. Okay, whatever, I can't do it. I can't work a hammer and the wrench at the same time. I gotta. Somewhere there's a sweet spot in there. So the top of that line. Yeah, it's in between the two lines. That's all you got to work with. half one way, flip the wrench over half the other way, go back and forth a couple hundred times, and eventually it comes out. Hopefully I can get my finger in there somehow. There it is. And of course the nut is way too tight to turn. There it goes. Yeah. Part of my finger. Very low access to these bikes. I don't know why they make them this way, but they did. They look good, but they're hard to work on. Almost like a road turd. Okay, nut is out. And that hurt. Pull wire out, which you have no access to get to, of course. Screwdriver. All this because they don't have the right battery. There's another wire in there. I don't care about the other wire, I don't care about my wire. There. Pull it out by the roots. I don't care about the other wire that's connected to that thing. Okay, I'm going to take this, I'm going to bend this tight right here, which he is not going to like doing, but I'm going to do it anyway. There you go. Tight squeeze. And hopefully that'll fit. And no, it doesn't, so we're going to go the other direction with it. Twist it out like that. Okay. Put it on there like that. Jam that sucker nut back down in there. Somehow we're going to get it on it. Hold your tongue the right way. Is there no access? No. Very little access. Yeah. Perfect. Okay. Hard to tighten too. Okay, so I reversed the cable. Couldn't go that way, so I went the other way. Screw it. Now we got to tighten this nut up. The problem is that's where I had the wrench coming in from. So how are we going to do that one now? I didn't have any access before. It's even worse now. Okay, let's see what I can do. Try to somehow tighten the nut up. Got the same crappy access we had before, except worse. It's just like before, but worse. At least the nut's going down a little bit. Okay, down about there anyway. Correct wrench might help. Transmission oil lines are in the way. Bend the oil lines up. Get more access. I've probably done that before, I'm sure. Yeah. There we go. Well, maybe. Can't tell. No, I'm gonna run the nut off. Nope, we're getting, there we go. We got it. Okay, it's tight. Got tons of room to get in there. I don't know what the problem was. The cable's twisting the wrong way. Now our ground cable's gonna be too short. Let's work with that next. So you have to go right above here to get into there, hitting everything. You can see the nut right up under there. Okay, that's in there tight. It's not hitting on that, so it won't cut through, won't grind, whatever. Okay, we gotta take this ground cable and rotate it over sideways, or we're gonna put it over on the other side over here. See if I can make it work. I think I can just rotate this, get a little more length out of it. We'll do it. If not, I'll put it on the other post. Probably easier. Put it on the other post. Now there's a wire there that's connected. It's on that battery already, so it's going to be 12 volts to that wire. So I can figure out what that wire is. Might speed up the wiring of the bike a little bit. Probably not much though. Okay, let's go and figure out this one out. Okay. Tools, out of the way. Go way over here like that. Tighten it down. Okay, just tight. That'll make it now. No problem getting that to the battery. That one's on the other side now. That'll work. Now, where's that wire that's coming up from below? Somewhere. Where's that going? That's this wire here. Going down, it's powering up the... Goes down that circuit breaker. So that means that circuit breaker is already wired. Which means this one does not have to be wired. I think. Okay. I'm going to use this one wired. Okay, where's our... I figure we had to go into where. No. I got confused. Too many components. Okay, what was this one going to? This is my starter button. This one here, I don't think we need any more. I think it's hot though. Tied up in a knot. Back on itself like that, should be fine. Okay. All right, battery. This time it goes on the other direction. Yeah, drop her another. It almost fit. There, it fit that time. Take this and twist it like that. And put it over there where it belongs. Take the cable. Tighten it down. If I want to put the ignition switch in there, I could, but I'm just going to jump it. So now we're not riding the bike, so we're just starting up this time. I can wire the ignition switch in there, but then you got to put it someplace, so it's about as much of a problem as everything else. Let's see, post screwdriver should be over here. There it goes. Okay, that's tight enough for that. Boom. Losing power. Okay, ground wire. Nothing short, that's a good sign. Need to bend that a little bit. Got the wrong angle on it. Okay, there we go. Precision adjustment. Alright, battery's installed. This should be our jumper wire. Appears to work. This is our ignition wire. So let's see if we got juice over here. So we're looking for a spark right here. Looking for gaps. Okay, we're going to hook up our positive wire to the ignition and spin it. We have spark. It'll run. Okay, we know all that works. It's not writable like this, but I can hook a switch to it and make it writable if I wanted to. Okay, so we'll go ahead and put these back in there. You know, it's already got oil circulation already, so I don't need to crank it to make oil pressure. We already know it's got oil pressure. Just going to do a little bit. Yeah, we could probably spin a little bit. Wouldn't hurt anything. Get some lubricant up into the rocker arms. Probably would not hurt. We'll do that. Let's charge the battery back up if we need to. We'll probably jump it anyway. Okay, so we don't need ignition on. We just need to spin it. Appears to work pretty good. Anyone see some spark? A good spark. Okay, let's see how much oil is going back to the tank. I'm sure there's a bunch of it going back now. It's kind of dark down in there. Yeah, a little bit going back. Not a lot. It might be drained, I don't know. Okay. I think we're good enough for now. I'll be back.